Introducing the Tohnichi DOT35N Torque Tester, a reliable and precise tool designed to measure torque values with utmost accuracy. Engineered by Tohnichi, a renowned brand in the assembly industry, this torque tester offers exceptional performance for various applications. Covering a wide torque range of 535 Newton meters, the 35N is suitable for testing a variety of torque tools and ensuring versatility in your assembly processes. Equipped with a large and easy-to-read analog dial, this torque tester provides clear and precise torque readings, allowing for accurate assessments. The mechanical loading device of the 35N enables smooth and consistent torque application, ensuring reliable and repeatable measurements. Calibration is made effortless with a simple rotation of the handle, allowing you to maintain accurate measurements over time. Designed to be set horizontally, the 35N eliminates the need for weight correction, simplifying the testing process and reducing potential errors. With its wide torque range, analog dial display, mechanical loading device, and easy calibration, the Tohnichi 35N Torque Tester is an indispensable tool for quality control and assembly processes. Trust in Tohnichi's expertise and experience precise and reliable torque testing.